to get the coveralls and that coat, and you won't even help me with that.
No,
you're
I'm
being
not.
an ass.
I don't have to.
I know you won't. You go and
I'm
fucking
calling
spend it
Chuck.
all on John.
I'm calling Chuck. I'm not.
Oh, yeah, I know you spoiled John. And
Yeah, I'm calling Charlie.
John, tell her what I did. What did I do? What did I do for you at 6 o'clock in the morning? I made you pancakes, huh, John? Tell her.
Yeah, he's stupid. That's why.
John, tell her.
Yeah, he made me.
John, don't even listen to him.
I made them pancakes 6 o'clock in the morning,
10,
Rich.
20, 30, 40, 50,
Big old nice pancakes,
70,
man.
80, 90,
Ask him, huh, John? Tell him.
Yeah.
Me and him both found pancakes.
15.
You want some pancakes?
John,
Yeah.
you're not cooking anymore. I'm not cleaning up another goddamn mess that I just cleaned. Stupid ass. Come around here like a goddamn crazy nightmare. Don't know how darn decent thing.
Still pissed off at me because I sold his truck.
There's $2 right here.
It's funny, I just heard. He's mad at me.
Hey, man, I'm gonna go over to your house in a few minutes. I just had to stop over here and see if my mom needed anything. Chill, man.
No, I'm there.
Well, I'll be ready at your house. Just give me 5 minutes. Jesus Christ, man.
No, I'm at your house. I'm calling the cops if you fucking got my truck.
Oh, whatever.
See, I told you he'd do that. Now, see what you did? Now you can't go get me milk. You gotta get that truck back to him.
I'll get back to it. Don't worry.
Well, I don't have no milk. You said you're gonna get milk. See, I told him you'd get in trouble. Can't believe her. Calling the cops right now, he says. Oh, Jesus. Why does he do this dumb shit? I gotta go to the store myself now.